All right, 8th graders, seventh graders. This is to help you with question 8 on CR number 7. It says, what time is shown on the clock? All right, that says 5 o'clock. All right. There we go. Estimate the measure of the angle formed by the hands on the clock. So they want us to estimate this angle right here. Well, I'll tell you, if I looked here, if it had only been 3 o'clock, that right there would, up to that point, get you to 90 degrees. Up to 3 o'clock would get you to 90. So I know for 5 o'clock it's greater than 90. 3 o'clock would get us to 90. Had it been 3 o'clock, it would have been 90 degrees. And 180 would be if it was 6 o'clock. 6 o'clock would get us all the way to 180. 6 o'clock would be 180 degrees. All right. Anyway, it's 5 o'clock. And the only reason I'm telling you that is because here, if I want this angle, I know it's an obtuse angle. So I know it's greater than 90, but it's less than 180. So I'm just trying to figure out about how much beyond 90. Estimate the measure of the angle formed by the hands on the clock. Well, now I'm trying to get technical, and I say if this is 90, if I take 90 and divide by 3, 90 divided by 3 is 30. So I would guess at 1 o'clock it would be 30 degrees. At 2 o'clock, 30 and 30 is 60 degrees. 3 o'clock, I'm up to 90 degrees. 4 o'clock would be another 30. 90 plus 30. 9 and 3 is 12, right? So that would be 120 degrees. And then at 5 o'clock, if I do 120 and 30 more, that would be 150 degrees. And then 150 and 30 gets us up to our 180 at 6 o'clock that we knew. Sorry, I hesitated for a minute because I knew, okay, if this is 90, I got to figure out every 5 minutes is about how many degrees. And it looks to me like every 5 minutes on a clock is about 30 degrees. So that's 30, 60, 90, 120, 150, 180, and so on. All right, this was definitely an obtuse angle, somewhere between 90 and 180. And I'd say it's about 150 degrees. And that's how you can break down on a clock. Every 5 degrees, we just figured out, is about 30. Every 5 minutes is about 30 degrees. What type of angle is formed? That's an obtuse angle. Between 0 and 90, that would be an acute angle. Between 90 and 180 is an obtuse angle. And then if you have a 90-degree angle, that is called a right angle. If you have 180-degree angle, that's called a straight angle. Makes sense. Makes a straight line. And then above 180, but below 360, I believe that would be a reflex angle. So from 180 degrees to 360 degrees, in between those two would be reflex angle. Okay? Mostly they ask you about acute and obtuse. Ours is an obtuse. 5 o'clock is 150 degrees. I hope that helps.